Good morning, and welcome to another episode of The Quote for Today. I'm your host, Michelle Frisby, and I'm so glad you're here. As one year closes and another waits just ahead, it's easy to believe peace lives somewhere else, in better timing, clearer plans, or calmer future. Today's quote gently brings us back to what's already here. Peace is available right now, in this breath, in this moment. This quote reminds us that peace is not something we earn or arrive at later. It is not dependent on circumstances lining up or problems being resolved. Peace exists underneath the noise, accessible the instant we stop chasing the next moment and return to the one we're in. So often, the mind rushes ahead or lingers behind, replaying or rehearsing, but peace lives in neither place. It lives in presence, in the simple act of noticing your breath, your body, your surroundings, just as they are. Nothing needs to change for peace to be felt. Only attention needs to settle. When we remember this, urgency softens, the nervous system calms, and we realize that even in uncertainty, even at turning points, there is a steady ground available beneath our feet. Morning intention. Today, I return to this moment whenever I feel pulled elsewhere. During the day, pause once an hour and take one slow, conscious breath, evening reflection. When did I remember that peace was already available today? Here's a simple tool to carry with you. Use the breath as an anchor, one inhale, one exhale, fully noticed. Let that be enough. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Stillness is not empty, it is full of answers, and the present moment asks nothing of you but attention until we meet again tomorrow. Let's make it a great day.